Chapter 2 Test Administrative and Traffic Laws. Test A. Select the phrase that best completes each sentence below. Write the letter of the answer you have chosen to the left of each statement. Number 1. Administrative laws establish the procedures for A. Issuing and removing people's driver's licenses. B. Registering a vehicle. C. Securing a title. D. All of the above. Number 2. To obtain a license, your state will test your knowledge of A. Math. B. Signs, signals, and markings. C. Vehicle types. D. Local street names. Number 3. If your license is revoked after the time of revocation is finished, you must A. Send a letter of apology. B. Apply for another driver's license. C. Continue driving like before. D. Pay a fine. Number 4. When purchasing a vehicle, you must A. Make sure it has a full tank of gas. B. Fill up the tires. C. Register it with the state. D. Get it washed. Number 5. Auto insurance A. is required by many states. B. is something you can do without. C. should be bought after you get in an accident. D. only makes sense for bad drivers. Number 6. Posted speed limits tell you A. how fast to drive. B. the maximum speed at which you can drive under the best conditions. C. the slowest speed at which you can drive under the best conditions. D. what speed to set your cruise control. Number 7. If you are pulled over by the police, you should A. stay calm. B. Get out of the car with your hands behind you. C. Argue with the officer. D. Refuse to speak to the officer. Backside. Select the phrase that best answers each question below. Write the letter of the answer you have chosen to the left of each question. Number 8. Failure to pay attention while driving contributed to almost how many accidents in 2002? A. 3.15 million. B. 6.3 million. C. 10 million. D. 2 million. Number 9. 7 states have enacted laws restricting the use of blank while driving. A. Windshield wipers. B. Radios. C. Cell phones. D. Makeup mirrors. Number 10. Which statement is false or not true? A. You should always yield the right of way to any emergency vehicle, such as an ambulance that has its sirens on and lights flashing. B. You should always yield the right of way to people who are blind and carrying a white cane or using a guide dog. C. You should always yield the right-of-way to cars entering the roadway when they're going in your direction. D. You should always yield the right-of-way to pedestrians, especially those using crosswalks. In each space below, write the word or words that best complete the sentence. Number 11. To drive and own a vehicle, you are required to follow your state's Number 12. States can blank licenses for a specified period of time. Number 13. The certificate of title should be kept blank the vehicle. Number 14. You should blank assume others will yield to you. You should blank assume others will yield to you. Number 15. A blank speed limit is a maximum or minimum speed that a vehicle may be driven on a particular roadway. A blank speed limit is a maximum or minimum speed that a vehicle may be driven on a particular roadway. Number 16. Some states have blank speed limits at night. Some states have blank speed limits at night. Number 17. The blank makes it unlawful for a person to operate a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, above a certain level. Number 18. Laws against driving while your judgment is blank help minimize the number of crashes. Laws against driving while your judgment is blank help minimize the number of crashes. Number 19. You should remain blank and blank toward another driver suffering from road rage. You should remain blank and blank toward another driver suffering from road rage. Number 20. Blank and blank are key legal terms in a reckless driving violation charge. Blank and blank are key legal terms in a reckless driving violation charge.